Welcome to today's weekly analysis. We will be going over, let's see, 7 weekly order blocks. So let's get started. First, we have AUD CAD, which is a weekly order block. Currently, let's see here. We've got, okay, so we're good there. As you can see, price was bearish. Okay. Price then broke structure here, pulled back to the zone, and then started breaking structure to the top side. Okay. So price has pulled back to this key level here, and price is now taken off. So if we're looking at market structure, let's go to the daily. You can see it a little clearer. If you're looking at market structure, price has broken structure, pull back, pushed up, pull back, pushed up, pull back to the zone, and is now breaking more structure to the top side. So with that being said, let's go back to the weekly order block. I would be waiting for price to pull back to the zone to then continue to either the zone here, which is a key level there, for approximately 143 pips. And of course, if price breaks through that zone, breaks these highs, look for the pullback to continue to these highs. Okay, that's for AUD CAD. AUD Chef, we have a weekly order block. I want to mark up my key level here. So price, as you can see, price is, let's look at the bigger picture. So price has tapped into the wicks of this swing here. Okay, market structure is here. Nothing is closed below and nothing has closed above. So with that being said, okay, we have this zone here, this key level here, and then this key level here. So we can wait for price to, well, you have a bullish order block. So if price pulls back into the order block at the break, you're looking at about 85 to 90 pips to the zone. There's an order block over here that price hasn't tapped, well, has tapped into the low of the order block, but I would be looking for price to take price at least up to this zone and then wait for price to show you what it wants to do. Of course, price is either going to break out, and I'm tapping into this order block, pull back and continue buying up, or price could easily push up into this order block, break structure to the downside, pull back and push back down. So that is what we're looking at for Auto Chef. AUD USD, we have a weekly order block. as you can see, price pulled back to this zone, did not break or tap into the zone, and then started breaking the swing highs, right? So this is the only mitigated area where, or unmitigated area, sorry. Question. So let me look at market structure. So we have this structure here. So this is the high and this is the low. So let me just mark up the high and mark up the low. As you can see, that's a key level there. And then let's look at market structure. Price broke here. Price broke, pulled back a little bit, broke, pulled back, broke structure again, got a little pullback, broke structure. So we're breaking this structure here, tapped into this zone here, and it's pulling back. But as you can see, it looked like it is breaking structure again. So, so either price is coming to this supply zone to then continue selling down, and I just see pretty much a downtrend for now. Just down, down, down for now. So price may come pull back into this zone and continue selling down. We have a key level here, but really this is more visible to me. This one here. Okay. So yeah, so that's what I see. I see that price broke structure, started breaking structure, internal structure, did not break above this high, and then started breaking the lows, the internal lows, for a continuation down. So that is my guess for a few weeks, and maybe even break through. But I would take it to this zone if price starts to sell back down to this zone. That's AUD USD. Euro GBP. We have a weekly bearish order block. And as you can see here, this is a strong key level. Okay. And price is now tapping yet again. As we can see, these levels are strong where they've tapped in here, here, here. Price is tapped in here. Now price is back in this zone. Now, I can see that price has been bearish, right? Price has already filled the imbalance with this. So I would wait to see if price is going to break these lows, looking at market structure, right? This was the break here, here, here. Sorry, here and here. So, because this was not a based on structure, market structure. There was no close below, so this was not the swing high. This was the swing high. So I would wait for price. I mean, we have a weekly bearish order block. You can possibly take it from here down to here. It's about 30 something pips. It's about 147 pips. And I just marked here because I can just see clearly that there was a key level right here where price tapped and tapped. So I would take it there. Price will then probably move back or pull back to then continue selling, or pull back, break through, and then start buying. So one of the two. GBP USD. GBP USD. So we have a strong trend line resistance here. And of course, I'm going to mark up my key levels here and my key level here. Okay. So if price pushes back down, because we have a bullish order block, if price pushes back down and breaks this low here, then I would expect to, so if price breaks, we look for the pullback and then sell down to this zone. And that would be approximately, oh, that would be approximately 600. We're going to go with 650. Okay. 650 pips from that zone here. However, if price breaks above, if price breaks above, then I would be looking for price to, this is so close to the, key level. I don't know if I would, well, let me not say that. Because if the pullback happens and you buy it up to here, that's about 450 pips. So yes, you can buy it up to there. And then of course, if it breaks through, then you can take it to the next zone. However, if it does break and push back down and pulls back here, you're going to either look for price to break through, pull back, continue selling, or pull back here, push back up. Like it may even play this zone, this little zone, until it either breaks out this way, breaks down this way. Okay. USD CAD. We have a weekly, bearish order block. So weekly bearish order block. Let me not like this here. Okay, and we have a key level here, and then we have a key level here. Okay, so although I don't see it on the weekly, it did break this candle here, but now we're in the order block. So price could pull back to the zone and continue buying up. Or price can tap into this order block, push down, break the zone, tap into the order block, and then I would wait to see what happens once it taps into the order block. Of course, if it starts breaking structure, comes back into the zone, then I would take the zone, take the trade from zone to zone. So we're talking about 470 pips, 70 plus pips. Okay. Last but not least, we have USD Chef, which is a bearish order block. As we can see, price has been bearish for some time now. we have a very strong trade line, a strong trend line resistance. If we look at market structure, you have this push up, pull back, 2 and 3. So price is here, price is pulled back. It has created a zone here. So you can either wait for price to break this level here, then pull back and continue selling. And I'm thinking that price may pull back here. There's some imbalance here, and then maybe start pushing back up. So tap into that order block. But I do believe it, and that pullback, what do we say? How many pips? Approximately 130 pips. So I would be on watch, not for this to push all the way down or break structure, but to pull back to, and that's probably the 618 for the last swing. 50%, 618, maybe even a 78. All right. And that is all that I have for the weekly analysis. See y'all next week, and happy trading.